Once upon a time, in a cozy village nestled amidst rolling hills, lived a curious little girl named Maya. Maya's eyes were as bright as sunflowers, and her laughter rang like chimes in the wind. But there was one thing that bothered Maya. Why did everyone say she should respect the elders? "Respect Grandpa's grumpy silences," her mother would say. "He's seen more seasons than you have leaves on your head." "Mind Nana's slow steps," her father would warn. "Her path has been long and winding, filled with stories untold." Maya didn't understand. Grumpy silences and slow steps weren't exactly fascinating. One day, determined to unravel the mystery, Maya set off on an adventure. First, she found Old Man Willow, his branches gnarled with age, but his leaves whispering secrets in the breeze. "Why should I respect you?" Willow sighed, his leaves rustling sadly. "I remember when this land was young," he whispered. "I've seen empires rise and fall, witnessed the changing seasons of life. My bark may be rough, but my roots hold the wisdom." Maya pondered his words. The old willow, though unassuming, had lived through 1,000 moons, carrying stories within his bark like hidden treasure. Maybe, just maybe, there was something to this respect business. Next, she met Granny Moonbeam, her eyes twinkling like starlight. "Why should I respect you?" Maya asked again. Granny chuckled, her wrinkles crinkling like a map of laughter. "I've seen the sun dance in the sky and the moon paint the world silver," she said. "I've known joy and sorrow, sung with the birds and danced with the rain. My hands may be frail, but they hold the memories of a life well lived." Maya understood. Granny Moonbeam, though her steps were slow, had witnessed the magic of the world, her life a tapestry woven with moonlight and laughter. Maybe, just maybe, respecting elders meant respecting the tapestry of life itself. Finally, Maya reached the top of the hill, where Great-Grandpa Wind sat, his beard catching the whispers of the world. "Why should I respect you?" she asked, a newfound understanding blooming in her heart. Great-Grandpa Wind smiled, his voice as soft as a lullaby. "I've carried the laughter of children and the sighs of lovers," he said. "I've whispered through leaves and howled through storms, seen the world change with every breath. My voice may be faint, but it speaks of the interconnectedness of all things." Maya's eyes widened. Great-Grandpa Wind, though unseen, was the very breath of life, the thread that connected everything. Respecting him was like respecting the air itself, the song of the universe. From that day on, Maya understood. Respecting elders wasn't about age or grumbles or slow steps. It was about honoring the stories they held, the memories they carried, the wisdom they whispered. It was about acknowledging the tapestry of life they had woven, thread by thread, season by season. And so Maya, with newfound reverence, greeted Old Man Willow with a smile, offered Granny Moonbeam a helping hand, and sat beside Great-Grandpa Wind, listening to the stories of the world. For she knew, in her heart, that respecting elders meant respecting the very essence of life, past, present and future, all woven together in a grand, beautiful tapestry.